Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn your notifications on so you can get the latest recipes. Our recipe today is a simple and easy, healthy recipe called Quinoa Stuffed Peppers with chicken. Now this recipe can be made with or without the chicken. I'm going to show you how to make this step by step. Let's get started. Start out by adding 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning to 2 chicken breasts. And I cut up the chicken breasts in little cubes like this. Over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then add 1 medium onion finely diced. Sauté your onions until golden in color, then add 1 diced green bell pepper and 2 diced jalapenos for some spice. Sauté your onions for about 5 minutes. Then add your chicken. Sauté your chicken until fully cooked. While our chicken is cooking in a separate saucepan over medium heat, add 1.5 cups of water and 1.5 cups of quinoa. So it's equal amount to the amount of quinoa and water. Stir it around, cover the lid, and as soon as it starts boiling, reduce it to low and set the timer for 15 minutes. So as soon as it starts boiling just like this, reduce your heat to low and let it simmer for 15 minutes covered. Now back to our chicken. Our chicken is fully cooked. Add 1 cup of frozen corn. Sauté your corn until fully cooked. Then add the cooked quinoa and 1.5 to 2 cups of your favorite salsa. Then add 1 cup of diced cilantro. In a baking pan, I added a drizzle of olive oil, and then I cut 3 peppers in half and emptied out the insides. And you're going to stuff your peppers with the quinoa. And if you don't want to stuff any peppers, you can also just bake this alone in a baking dish. Top them off with shredded cheese. Then cover with foil and bake for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Then remove the foil and broil the top a little bit. And your dish is ready to enjoy. Thank you for watching this simple and easy recipe. I hope you enjoy making it at home.